Don't lift the toilet seat this way. Take some electrical tape and cover the edge of the seat with it. Leave one longer piece and cut the tape. Then fold the protruding part in half to create a convenient tab. Now you can lift the seat using this tab without touching the surface. It's a simple way to limit contact with germs and improve bathroom hygiene. Take Old Spice to the bathroom. Few people know that this product can be used in this way. If your husband didn't like the Old Spice deodorant, you don't have to throw it away. Old Spice has a very distinctive, intense, spicy scent. Therefore, it can be successfully used in any bathroom. This popular deodorant from the United States is known worldwide, so you can use it anywhere as a toilet freshener. When there is an unpleasant odor in the bathroom, Old Spice will change that. Just wipe the toilet seat with it. Yes, exactly. Open the deodorant and wipe the entire toilet seat with it. The layer of deodorant will leave a pleasant scent that will freshen up the whole bathroom. When someone lifts the toilet seat, a pleasant smell will come from the toilet. When the deodorant scent fades, just wipe the toilet seat with it again. So, if you have such a deodorant at home, use it in the bathroom. It's a great air freshener for the toilet. When you see yellow stains on a toilet seat, there's no need to replace it. You can easily remove these stains using simple household products. Start by locating the button or mechanism to release the toilet seat and remove it. Place the seat in a bathtub or shower stall and lightly spray it with water to moisten the surface. Generously sprinkle baking soda on the stains. It acts as a gentle abrasive, helping to lift stubborn stains and grime. Follow with some citric acid to tackle mineral deposits and yellow discoloration effectively. Both citric acid and baking soda are safe on surfaces like plastic and ceramic. Pour vinegar over the baking soda and citric acid. The reaction between these ingredients will loosen dirt and grime. Vinegar enhances the cleaning effect, breaking down fats and minerals. Use a long-handled brush to scrub the seat thoroughly until the stains vanish. This mixture not only cleans but also disinfects, reducing bacteria on the seat. Once done, wipe the seat dry with a microfiber cloth to remove any remaining cleaner residue. Reinstall the toilet seat and enjoy a spotless, refreshed surface without stains. Throw an egg into the toilet. Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. If your toilet gets clogged, forget chemical solutions. Here's a better method. Start with one large egg and separate the white. The egg white is key because it acts as a natural lubricant, making it easier to clear blockages in your pipes. Add 2 tablespoons of liquid soap to the egg white. The soap improves the slippery effect and aids in cleaning. Mix thoroughly, then pour the mixture into the clogged toilet. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda helps dissolve grease and other debris causing the blockage. Follow this with about a cup of vinegar. You'll notice a foaming reaction. This chemical process breaks down the buildup. Finally, grab some plastic wrap. Seal it tightly around the toilet bowl, ensuring no air gets underneath. Press down on the plastic wrap a few times to create pressure. This pressure helps push the blockage through the pipes. This simple trick can solve your problem without needing to plunge the toilet. You'll be amazed at how effective this solution is. Your toilet will be unclogged, and unpleasant surprises in the bathroom will be a thing of the past. Sprinkle your toilet with this magic powder as if you were preparing it for something special. It's a secret that will completely change the way you think about cleaning. Everyday grime and buildup will no longer be a problem. These 2 methods will get rid of them quickly and effectively. For the first method, sprinkle laundry detergent over the toilet bowl, then generously cover it with baking soda. Next, pour vinegar over the entire surface. The mixture will start to fizz, which means it's actively breaking down dirt and limescale. Grab a toilet brush, scrub thoroughly, and flush with water. Done. It's like a home spa for your toilet that also refreshes the pipes and helps prevent clogs. The second method will make yellow stains disappear as if by magic. First, blend scented beads in a blender. Then sprinkle them into the toilet bowl along with a generous amount of blue cleaning powder. Add baking soda, followed by a small amount of toothpaste. Pour in some laundry detergent. With a brush in hand, scrub well and flush. The fragrance from the beads will leave your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. It's a natural way to maintain a hygienic and pleasantly scented toilet without the use of harsh chemicals. Your toilet will shine like never before. Don't throw away your empty toilet freshener hanger. Instead of buying a new one, do this. Quick and cheap. Grate a bar of soap, preferably glycerin soap. It creates a thick, foamy base and dissolves slowly, making the effect last longer. Now, grab some toothpaste. You definitely have it in your bathroom. Toothpaste helps clean and freshen. Squeeze it onto the grated soap. Then add some laundry scent beads for a strong, fresh fragrance. Add a few tablespoons of baking soda, something you always have at home. It neutralizes odors and helps keep the toilet clean. Mix everything well until you get a firm mass. Form small balls and place them inside the empty hanger. You can also press the mixture directly inside. Hang it on the toilet bowl and flush as usual. Your toilet will stay clean, fresh, and pleasantly scented, without spending money on store-bought products. Eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and effective. Apply shaving foam to a broom. While we usually associate it with shaving, this foam has another brilliant use. All you need is a regular broom, which most of us already have at home. Apply the foam to both sides of the broom head, making sure all the bristles are fully covered. This setup is a game changer for older people or anyone with back problems. Simply flip the broom and spread the foam over your tiles and shower walls. The foam works like a soapy cleaner with a higher potassium hydroxide content, so it's incredibly effective. But that's not all. Leave it on for 20 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom and secure it with a rubber band. You can now dry the surface quickly without streaks or water spots. The result? Sparkling clean tiles and bathroom surfaces with a fresh scent that lingers for days. This method makes cleaning easier, faster, and much more comfortable. One tablespoon of salt in the toilet? You'll be surprised what it does. All you need are a few common household items: salt, laundry detergent, both liquid and powder, and some vinegar. Start by grabbing a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, half a cup of liquid laundry detergent, 2 tablespoons of powdered detergent, and half a cup of vinegar. Give it all a good stir until it turns into a foamy, bubbly mixture. It may look like a science experiment, but trust me, it works better than many pricey cleaning products. Next, pour the mixture into your toilet bowl. The best time to do this is at night before you go to bed, so the solution has several hours to work its magic. In the morning, just flush. And that's it. The results are almost instant. Your toilet bowl will be sparkling clean, free from stains, limescale, and unpleasant odors. No scrubbing required. And here's the best part. If you use this method regularly, it won't just keep your toilet clean. It can also help keep your pipes clear, reducing the risk of clogs and plumbing issues in the future. No harsh chemicals, no extra cost. Just a smart, simple hack that works.